Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for Junior in Alabama on this General Lee HP40. Junior got it ready to go for you. RF power on low, 50 watt slug. About 2 watts on low, that way if you decide to run an amplifier with it, you can. High power. Just right about 20 watts carrier. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. 250 watt slug, average power, top scale. Hello. Big numbers. That's 75. 250 on the peak side. Hello. About 160. Alright, Junior's ready to come to you. I hope you enjoy. From your friend Truck at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.